Okay, don't pay attention to that mess. Doing a little rearranging. Got a little circulation going on down there. And a little, I don't know if it's what you would call, nothing coming in, but I think it was just so humid and get a little more circulation going. So I got that fan. If you can barely see it, that fan. And then also I made a few changes. Instead of leaving the futon flat, I went ahead and brought it up. Pillows would go down. I opened the windows up today. I did. It was so warm outside. So I made a few changes there. Then I got me a few fans placed periodically so I could keep the airflow going. But if you hadn't seen it in a while, I got a little bit more space now. Got rid of the computer, moved it to the back, rid of the chair, and I'm slowly decluttering this out over here. So